In this video, I'm going to teach you what a 203K renovation mortgage is and how you can use it to buy your home and finance renovations and repairs. Hey, this is Alex Monaco with Remax InStyle Realty. So the 203K loan is an awesome product. It's an FHA product, so you can put down as low as 3.5%. I did this for my own house and it was awesome. So I'm going to use my own house as sort of a case study so you can understand the numbers. So when I was looking, the market was tight, like it is now, but maybe not quite as tight. But it was there wasn't a lot of inventory and we really just couldn't find what we were looking for. So we couldn't find something that was totally move-in ready. Everything was really, really competitive. So we found this house that needed quite a bit of work. All right, it needed about $50,000 in repairs. It needed a new kitchen. It needed a new roof, a few other things. Now, we didn't have $50,000 laying around at the time, like many people don't, okay? But we knew about the 203K loan. So what we did, we got the home for $235,000. That's what we bought the home for. All right, and then we financed $55,000 in repairs. So the bank gave us the $235,000 for the home. That's what the seller got. And then they also gave us $55,000 to do basically whatever we wanted. So it was really fun. We got to, pick and choose everything that we wanted to do, and we basically managed the whole construction project, and we were only putting down a small 3.5%. So not a whole lot of cash that was required, which is what makes this so unique. So when you do a 203K loan, the appraiser is going to look at what you're buying it for, plus the cost of the repairs and renovations, and they're going to determine if it's worth the value of those two combined. So as an example, for our house, we got it for $235,000 and we financed $55,000 in repairs. So we were in it for $290,000. The house appraised for $315,000 afterwards. So we had an extra $25,000 in equity because of the work that we had done to the house. So it was an awesome experience. They do all the work after the closing. So once the contractors were finished, maybe a couple months after the closing, we were able to move in once it passed all the inspections. And we had a house that was basically tailor-made to how we wanted it. And we didn't have to spend $50,000 out of our pocket. We were financing it at a really low interest rate because rates are great right now. So if you're looking for a home and you're having trouble finding something that's move-in ready like you want, you could consider buying a fixer-upper with the 203K loan. There are other renovation loans as well, but the 203K is the most popular one. All right, and you can finance all those repairs, make the house the way that you want it. Okay, if you're interested in learning more about a renovation loan, send me a message or send me a text. Would be happy to help you. Thanks, have a great day.